Hello dear friends, this is the Phone Support channel, and in this video I want to show and tell you how to fix the problem with notes on your Instagram. Maybe you still don't have these notes, which recently became available on Instagram. You can turn them on every account. How do you get them back and fix them? It's very simple. To do that, I'm going to go to the account that doesn't already have the notes. This account right here, and here, as you can see, the notes don't show up. This feature doesn't work. This is very strange because the app is updated and the phone is also updated to the latest version, but the notes don't appear on every account. This is a known glitch. Many people have had it, but you can try to fix it. If you don't have notes on all accounts, try updating the app. This may help and notes will appear. If that doesn't help, you need to do the following steps. First, I show you my profile. Click on the top 3 bars. Now select the item, Settings and Privacy. We did it. Now go down a little lower and find the item, Help. Click on it. And we see here, Report a Problem. Click here. It says that if there's a problem with Instagram, you need to turn on this function to report the problem. Let's turn this checkbox on. After that, we get out of here and want to offend in the chats. Now you have to grab your phone and start shaking it. A window like this appears. Did something go wrong? Report a problem. Click here. Now select the item, Include, and Continue. Instagram automatically takes a screenshot of the place where there is a problem. After that, we need to describe our problem and type in a certain text. You can just rewrite what I wrote. This text, we describe in detail the problem that our Instagram notes aren't working, and we send that text. Now we sent this complaint. It should be reviewed, and after a while the notes should come back. This was the Phone Support. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you later. Bye. Bye.